New construction just 1 block from the Chesapeake Bay beach and minutes to Naval Station Norfolk and Little Creek. City-approved golf cart community. This 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home offers a prime location with an open-concept floor plan ideal for entertaining and everyday beach living. The kitchen features quartz countertops, a spacious island, and stainless steel appliances including a gas stove, microwave, dishwasher, and French door refrigerator, all open to the family room with a gas fireplace. A butler's pantry with additional cabinetry connects the kitchen and dining room. The primary suite includes a double-bowl vanity, tiled shower with custom glass enclosure, and 2 walk-in closets. 3 additional bedrooms and an upstairs laundry room with cabinets add convenience. Enjoy 3 front decks, a 2-car garage with opener, generator plug, and storage under the home. Estimated completion.